And Senator McCain had strong ties to the San Diego area dating back for generations. His family has a deep history in the Navy. In Coronado, McCain Boulevard is named after McCain's grandfather, Admiral John Sidney McCain Sr. The senator's father also had one of his postings in Coronado. The family lived at 800 A Avenue. And most recently, he and his wife Cindy also owned condominiums in Coronado Shores, where they visited frequently over the years.
And leaders from around the world are remembering John McCain this morning. I want to share some of the messages here on Twitter. This one is from Theresa May, the Prime Minister of the UK. She said that John McCain was a great statesman who embodied the idea of service over self. It was an honor to call him a friend of the UK. Benjamin Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, said that McCain's support for Israel never wavered. It sprang from his belief in democracy and freedom. And Emmanuel Macron, the French president, called John McCain a true American hero. He devoted his entire life to his country, and of course his voice will be missed. Jim?